Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Last year users of Android smartphones got a really good feature, which was initially only available in the new Android phone. Now it is also available in older smartphones. This feature concerns privacy. This feature from Android 11 is such that if we haven't opened an app for a certain period of time, the app's operating system automatically resets the app's permissions. Until now, after installing an app, we have given it permission to use a microphone, storage or camera. After using the app for a while in the beginning, we forget about it, but as per the permission given by us, this app will continue to use our important resources in the phone without any hindrance. To avoid such a situation, the latest version of Android has added a feature that if we stop using an app but do not uninstall it from the phone, the system itself will stop the important permissions it gets. This is a really useful feature related to privacy. The auto reset feature to the app permissions, the month of December 6, the next version of Android will meet all smartphones. Once this feature is available in our phone, a page of auto reset settings will appear in the phone settings. From here we can decide which app permissions can be auto reset. Etal k koi epa apane mate mahatvani hoya, apane tino baroso karata hoy, matra tino upayoga ocho karata hoy to teni paramasanza apoapa rosetta na teya tevam settingsa pana kari sakaya che. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.